if you want something to sound like a radio broadcast, so maybe you have the need for some radio broadcast to be playing in the background, maybe someone's driving a car listening to the radio, whatever, that's super easy to do. Again, you just click the track where the sounds that you want to sound like the radio are. So this is what it sounds like right now.
His final entry ended mid-sentence.
Okay. Click default, presets, default, and I like to use the AM radio. It works fairly well just as it is. This is what it sounds like with the AM radio effect on.
His final entry ended mid-sentence. Ink smeared. Pen dropped. No name signed.
Okay, so if you want that to sound like someone's listening to this in a car, just add the ambience of the interior of a car, car noises basically, and you're good to go.